Yes, in WordPress, you can easily duplicate a page or post. There are different methods to do so depending on the version of WordPress and the plugins or themes you have installed. Here are a few ways to duplicate a page in WordPress. Use a plugin. There are several plugins available in the WordPress repository that allow you to duplicate pages or posts. One popular plugin is Duplicate Page. Once you install and activate the plugin, you will see a "Duplicate this" button next to each page or post. Simply click on the button, and a new copy of the page will be created with all the same content and settings as the original. Use the Duplicate option in the Quick Edit screen. In the Pages or Posts screen, hover over the title of the page or post you want to duplicate, and you will see a Quick Edit link. Click on it, and you will see a Duplicate checkbox. Check the box, click on Update, and a new copy of the page will be created with Copy added to the end of the title. Use a page builder. If you are using a page builder plugin like Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Divi, you can duplicate pages or posts directly from the page builder interface. Simply open the page or post you want to duplicate, click on the Duplicate button, and a new copy of the page will be created with all the same elements and settings as the original. Copy and paste the content. If you don't want to use a plugin or page builder, you can simply copy and paste the content from the original page into a new page. This method is less efficient than the others, as you will need to recreate any settings or metadata manually. In summary, duplicating a page in WordPress is a simple process, and there are several ways to do it. Whether you prefer to use a plugin, the Quick Edit screen, a page builder, or copy and paste, you can easily create a new copy of a page with all the same content and settings as the original.